Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve 150k roadmap, okay, in just 20 trades. In my previous videos, you see I post these spreadsheet, okay. Many of you have against that it cannot be possible, or someone thinking about that how we can take 50 pips every day or 100 pips every day. So I'm going to clear out some things that how you can achieve this one and how you can be not panic, or how you can uh, not think differently, okay, that not think like that is cannot be achieved. I will show you that how you can achieve these thing in a proper way. So before I started, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel, link in the description. So you need only a three thing to achieve this thing. First one is a setup. What is the setup? Setup is like you have a strategy that work for you and you backtest it. It doesn't mean that have to work every day or every week. In a month, it should at least 2 to 3 times it should be happen. Okay, it can be anything. If you are I am ICT trader, maybe you are not ICT trader, you are a support resistance trader, maybe you are a pattern trader, I don't care. So you have to only find a one setup that at least happen in a month 1 to 2 times, and once you see that setup, your pinpoint in your mind it's telling you we are going to enter here or we win this trade. Okay, you don't have to trade every day. If anyone thinking about that you have to trade every day, please you can leave this video now. First set, I am ICT trader. You can use ICT any trader, turtle soup, you can unicorn model, you can market maker sale model, buy model, or silver bullet anytime. Okay, so I have also more videos in this YouTube channel. If you are new, you can watch that one. Okay, many setups are available here, you can use. Okay, second thing, you need time. What does it mean by that time? You don't have to achieve this in 1 month or 1 week. Okay, you should take time on this. Okay, here I suppose if you have a $20, okay, many have also some confusion on that, that after 20 how it's become 35. After you win this trade on this lot size, okay, you will get 35. Okay, forget about some calculation, this is for mine, but I'm telling you maybe this spreadsheet is different from old one, but just telling you I made this spreadsheet for US 100 on a special broker. Okay, because you know US 100 have a big asset and you cannot take a minimum lot on any broker. So I have a broker you can use, and the link in description. So if you have $20, nothing, you can start with $20 with this lot size. After the win you will get 35, means you've got $15 profit in a first trade. Okay, and first two trade 1 and 2 you can take only in January. You have to start, for example, start from January 2025 and you have time till December 25. Okay, 12 month. In each month you have a 20 trading days. For example, start from 6, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, 5, 1 2 3 4 5 10 15 20. Okay, for example, you have a 20 trading days in a month, you have a 12 month, 240. In 240 trading days where the market is active, you have to only take a 20 trades. You don't have to trade every day. So just calculate that first two trade you will only take in January. Okay, or your setup only allow 20. Okay, if you are taking 100 pip, or you are a big time frame, because the higher accuracy will come from a bigger time frame or a higher time frame. Okay, and not a 5 minute, 15 minute, or 1 minute may be a factor, but the accuracy or the higher win rate will come from a higher time frame. Okay, so if you are using a higher time frame, this will be a good for you. If you get a two setup in a 1 month, it will be in October and you will get this one. And I believe many of you may be not getting this much or yearly from your jobs or whatever you're doing, I believe. okay, because most of people, I think they are not getting that one. If they are getting, they have spent also, and they have maybe different criteria, or they are engineers or something like that. Okay, so the discipline is that in your trade setups, once you have a setup, you should only write out the things, okay. Every trade should be a journal, and you should write out, I will do these things if these happen, okay. I will take a trade, for example, I will take a trade if London sweep, I will take a trade if previous day sweep, I will take a trade if a market structure shift with displacement, like that. You have to write out the all points and you have to follow that one. Then only you are going to win this trade, okay. That's all. If you are thinking to trade every day, it is not possible. Maybe possible, but it's not good for your psychological level, because sometimes you take a revenge. So only take one trade maybe in 1 week. So in 1 month you can take 4 trades, in 2 months 8 trades, 3 months 12, then 16 and 20. In 4 months you can achieve this one, and it's not impossible, because in YouTube also you see from people is people's going from $10 to $10,000 or 100K. So these also achievable, bro. It's not impossible. Nothing is impossible in this world, believe me, okay. And this is not a gambling means you don't know about anything and you start, okay. If you are doing agriculture and if you don't know about anything, how to grow an apple, you put money on that, that is gambling, because you don't know about anything. If you know about anything, you know what are you doing, that's not gambling, that's a calculated prediction, okay. Believe me that, okay. These spreadsheets are not a gambling, okay. A 1% risk, from which book you take, if you take 1%, that is not a gambling, and if you take 30%, that is gambling. No, that's not. Sometimes you have to risk more to gain more. And here is investment also, you see $20, okay. $20 is nothing, you can start from that. Every month you can try, and you don't have to trade every day. You can do another side hustles. There are many another side hustle you can do it. Trading, you should be your part-time job. 20 trades, bro, that's all. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, because in the next video I'm sharing with you a prop firm where you don't have to pay anything for evaluation, and it's a very cheap, and you can get that one very easily, okay. So I hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, be safe.